TestFlight beta testing makes it simple to add a wide audience of testers and get valuable feedback from multiple devices before releasing your app on the App Store. To get started, go to My Apps and select the app that you want to test. Then click TestFlight. Start by filling out the test information. This isn't required for testing within your App Store Connect users, but you'll need it to distribute builds to a wider audience. Next, you can start adding testers. Select App Store Connect users to invite testers within your team. Click here to add up to 25 internal testers. If you have builds uploaded, invites are sent right away, and internal testers will be able to access all of your active builds and begin testing. Click on Builds to see which ones are active and which may require you to take action, such as completing export compliance information. Next, you can add testers that are outside of your immediate team, known as external testers, by creating a group. You can edit your group name later if you'd like. Click Add Testers to add new or existing testers. You can also import from a CSV. An email address is required for each tester, but adding a first and last name is optional. Then click on Builds. Click here to add a build, and then select the one that you want to test. Next, you'll need to enter information about what to test. You can localize this information, but it's not required. Once you click Submit for review, your build will go to Beta App Review. Continue adding more testers if you'd like, and once your build is approved, you can start testing. You can add more builds to this group, or create more groups and send builds to them as well. The All Testers page helps you understand tester engagement by showing the status of each tester, along with details like the total number of sessions and crashes. If you want to stop testing at any time, just go to the Build section and remove a tester or group from the build, or expire the build for all testers. Using TestFlight is also really easy for your testers. When they receive your invite, they just tap Open in TestFlight. This will guide them through installing the app. Here are a few things to remember. You can have up to 25 internal testers per app, and up to 10,000 external testers per app. Builds can be tested for up to 90 days, and a countdown begins when the build is uploaded. You can upload new build to continue testing after 90 days. You can turn off testing at any time, and TestFlight requires iOS 8 or tvOS 9 or later.